phone might die in a bit. At least 18 miles an hour. Handbrake. I ain't even that tired. I've been driving 15, 18 miles per hour for like 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh crap. Okay. I ain't that tired, but when there's a storm I'm trying to get, yeah, you should probably go a little faster, so. Should probably go to church right now. When the mountain bike gets fixed, I'm ready to use it as my farm vehicle. It's kind of cheap. And then I have to buy a new mountain bike. Brakes will fix it or whatever. This is my favorite bike and it's worth more than it's like $500 bike. Now it's about like $500, $800 fully restored. I've kind of fully restored it. The only thing it needs is brakes. clouds do that sometimes, but looks like a tornado behind me a little bit. I don't know if that's a supercell or not. It kind of looks like one, but a small one, not one. I forgot what kind. I think there's a few different kinds of supercells. Yeah, I think that's one of them. Let me check. I know if it's a supercell, if it's rotated. So I gotta stare at it for a minute. I know over there kind of looks scary, so let's go on to the face bud sprayer. Dirt road. There's almost mud in the face, is what I can name it. This storm is big. That might be a supercell. The thing's like over my house right now. Okay. Or anybody out there? Most of you're 30 something probably. 20, 30, you know. There's some teenagers watching too. Let's see if it's rotating. Some of these smaller clouds going this way. I see these moving this way. Where are you going that way? I don't know. That's a big storm. It could be a supercell. It's a smaller looking one compared to the one I saw at the park that day. It's one of the more rare supercells too, so it's kind of neat. This one's more of a common one. You don't really see stuff like this. You don't see those clouds look like UFOs or stuff. That was crazy looking. That was a crazy looking cloud. This just looks like a big thunderstorm to me. Oh wow. Okay, we're getting light around here. I have to get out of this pretty soon. That's a big storm right there. It just looks like sunlight. Clouds. If I were you, I'd probably get inside right now, so. Anyhow, storm chasers like to watch the storm for a little bit before they start running away from it. Yeah, but that thing's moving fast. It's not as fast as the supercell I saw at the park, but I can tell you that cloud at the park, that was definitely a supercell. Now this, I don't know. Okay. Could be, because it's moving quick, but not as fast as that one I saw that day. That was definitely a supercell. If you saw that in the pictures, yeah, that was a supercell. It was rotating, but there were no tornadoes. That's good. That's weird. I had to check with the radar in a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's rotating down there. I don't know, because the trees are in the way. Yeah, I think I'm going right now. I'm like this. These storms are nice. This is cool. Storms here. I hope someday there's an EF6. That'd be kind of cool. Using an EF6 tornado. More like 350